Hello students, we'll solving here a problem of a projectile motion. To understand this problem clearly, you can watch my videos on projectile motion, that is theory of part 1 and part 2, so that you'll understand this problem clearly. What is given in this problem? A ball is thrown with a speed of 12 meter per second at an angle of 60 degrees with the building, strikes the ground at 11.3 meter horizontally from the foot of a building as shown in figure. Determine height of building. That means point of projection is A, right? And that ball strikes here on the ground at B, right? Height of building is unknown and horizontal distance at which it strikes from the point of projection, means from the wall, is given as 11.3 meter. Now what data is known? First one, initial velocity of projection is known, that is u0 equal to 12 meters per second. Now angle theta 0 is very important. Theta 0, if you want to find out, here 60 degree is not angle of projection, because basically angle of projection is always measured with horizontal. Yes, here I am drawing here. This one is say your x-axis. So positive angle is always measured with x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. If this angle is given, then this one is what? Positive theta 0. If with x-axis angle is given in clockwise direction, that means if this angle is given, so in this case this is what? Negative theta 0. And angle theta 0 is never measured with vertical, it is always measured with horizontal. So in this case, here in this figure, if we draw, say this one is what your x-axis, right? This one is nothing but your positive x-axis, right? This one is x-axis. So inclination theta 0 is inclination of this velocity with horizontal. This angle is a theta 0. That means theta 0 is not 60 degree. So this one comes out to be how much? If you will calculate, that is 90 minus 60, it is 30 degree. But 30 degree is measured in which direction with respect to positive x-axis? It is in clockwise direction. That means this is what? Negative. Therefore theta 0 will take as what here? 30 degrees. Next, horizontal distance, right, where ball strikes the ground from the wall. This is at what distance? So it is 11.3 meters. Now for y, what is important? If final position is above initial position, y is positive. If final position is below initial position, y is negative. Here final position is below initial position, that means y is negative. And this one is unknown, which one is h meters. Which one you have to find out. Okay. Now to solve such problem, here what data is given, that is in terms of x, y, u0 and theta 0. That means for such problem, we will use what? Equation of path. Equation of path is what? Y equal to tan theta 0x minus gx square upon 2u0 square cos square theta 0. Now y is unknown, that is nothing but we will put as minus h. Tan of this angle, tan of theta 0 is what? Minus 30. X is what? 11.3 meter minus, this is 9.81. X distance is known, x is 11.3 and it's a square divided by 2u0 square, means 2 into 12 square, and cos of minus 30, and we'll take its square. Okay, this is angle is minus 30 and its square. Unknown term is what? Unknown term is h. Therefore using calculator, if you find out, easily you will get what? Height of building, that is nothing but h, and h equal to this one, if you find out, comes out to be 12.32 meters. So this is nothing but final answer, height of building, where initially y you are taken as minus h, but finally answer what you are getting is height of building, means magnitude. Okay, thank you. Thank you.